tampil selanjutnya, satu-satunya perawan di SUCI X, ini dia Enieng.
Alright, Balai Sarbini, make some noise. Welcome to the haram section of the night. No, I'm not kidding. After this, pulang mandi wajib kalian. Why? Because I got permission from the producer to say stuff that I cannot say back then. But here's the thing, right? I don't want to be wild tonight because, hey, they work hard, right? I don't want to put more work on the editor team. Like they already, putting subtitle on my video? And cutting my jokes that is not suitable for television? You know, and I don't want to, make them over time putting beep on my video. So I want you guys to give a big applause for Kompas for this amazing competition. Let me tell you how to suck dick. Nah. Oh man. Nah, I'm kidding. Mas Parno, sorry. Here's the thing, right? My persona on national television, it's already established before I joined SUCI. Me in Bali, I've already known as a, a whore. But that's the thing, like people, they don't get it, that comedians on and off stage are different. Me on stage, I'm this extrovert, I'm loud, a little bit of a whore. But me off stage, I'm introvert, still a whore. But introvert, which is difficult. The other day, I went to a club, right, dancing with my friends, and then there's these two men come up to me, and then they look at me, and look at each other, look at me again, and one of them said, "Hello, you the comedian?" "Yes." I was like, "Yes, I am." And then he continued, "We have a question for you. Are you really a whore?" Like, this man said, "We have a question." That means they discussed beforehand. And that's the best question they can come up with. I'm expecting something like, "Hello, if we do threesome, do I pay for one or two?" Like, oh, man. Recently, I just got new tattoo. It's right here. Bang, kenapa bang? Dilipat. I got new tattoo. My boyfriend likes it very much. I got a Sudoku tattoo. So my man can last 3 more minutes. Keep him concentrate at the back. Keep him occupied. But it's backfired on me now because every time we hang out, he just wants to finish the Sudoku. And I don't have the heart to tell him that someone else already finished the Sudoku. Someone smarter, someone's funnier, someone Chinese. Me, I finish it myself. I'm gonna leave you with this, right? So we were talking. We were talking how to make fun stuff in the bedroom, right? Kind of things. So we were come up with role play. Not like Kebaya Merah, it's like more classic, right? Like role play. We come up with the classic scenario. Teacher and a student. And then he was like, "You still have your high school uniform with you, right?" wear that when you come to my place. I was like, okay. The day comes, right? I wore my uniform. Knock on his door, he opened the door, and that's when I realized that this man never seen Indonesian school uniform before. In his mind, it's a Britney Spears hit me, baby, one more time.